Hey, XZX Christian here, and I'm just going to show you how to fix something that's really bugging me. See that? The spinning wheel of death is what they call it. Well, that's just an easy fix, you know? I'm going to show you how to fix it right now. You're going to need iTunes, basically. So just open up iTunes. And power off by holding power button and home at the same time. And keep holding it, and let go of power button. You keep pressing home until you hear the iPhone connected sound. There you go. That's in DFU mode now, and this message is gonna pop up in your iTunes. iTunes has detected an iPhone recovery mode, blah blah blah. Just click OK, and shift, and then press restore. And now look for your current firmware, and just press restore, and it should work. Extracting software, blah blah blah. This is an iPhone 3GS, by the way. And it should be restoring. Now, if you don't know where to download ISPs firmwares for iPhones, it's going to be in the description in the bottom. And, well, that's pretty much it.